Quality control in construction. Project management. Quality control, QC, in construction is the process of ensuring that all work performed on a construction project meets the required quality standards, complies with building codes, regulations, and specifications, and satisfies the client's expectations. The goal of quality control is to ensure that the final construction product is safe, durable, and functional, and that it adheres to the specified guidelines throughout the project. Effective quality control involves monitoring the work continuously, performing inspections, and auditing processes to ensure that everything is done correctly. Quality control should start from the planning stage and continue throughout the life cycle of the project to ensure that every phase meets its standards. Key components of quality control in construction. 1. Setting quality standards. Defining requirements. At the outset of the project, quality standards should be clearly defined. These standards could include building codes, local, regional, or national codes that regulate the structural integrity, safety, accessibility, and other factors of the construction. Regulations, compliance with laws such as environmental regulations, zoning laws, health and safety regulations, and labor laws. Specifications, detailed descriptions of the materials, products, and workmanship required for the project, often outlined in the contract documents. Project-specific standards, establishing quality benchmarks specific to the project type, such as architectural finishes, performance criteria, and functional requirements, e.g., thermal insulation, noise levels, or energy efficiency. Second, quality assurance versus quality control. Quality assurance, QA, focuses on preventing defects in the project by ensuring that processes are followed, that workers are trained, and that there is adequate planning in place to meet quality standards. OQA includes planning, setting up procedures, and training the workforce. Quality control, QC, focuses on identifying defects and ensuring the final product meets the required specifications. OQC includes inspections, testing, and audits during and after construction. While QA is proactive and aimed at preventing issues, QC is reactive, focusing on monitoring and correcting problems as they arise during the project. 3. Inspections and audits. Regular inspections and audits are essential parts of quality control. These processes help detect issues early, reducing the risk of costly rework or delays. Inspections and audits should be scheduled and performed consistently at various stages of the project. Types of inspections. Pre-construction inspections. Ensure that all necessary permits are in place. Review the construction site for safety and readiness. Ongoing inspections. Daily or weekly inspections. Conduct regular checks on site activities to ensure compliance with safety standards and quality expectations. Material inspections. Before any materials are used, inspect them for compliance with specifications. This might involve checking for the correct type, quality, and certification of materials, e.g., concrete strength, steel reinforcement. Workmanship inspections. Inspect ongoing work to ensure that construction methods are being adhered to and that the work meets the required standards. Final inspections. After construction is completed, conduct a thorough final inspection to ensure that all aspects of the project meet the original specifications and building codes. Any discrepancies should be addressed before the project is handed over. Audit processes. Quality audits. Periodic audits of construction. Processes ensure compliance with quality standards. These can involve reviewing the work of subcontractors, suppliers, or materials providers. Documentation audits. Review project records, such as design drawings, permits, material certifications, and progress reports, to ensure that everything is in order. 4. Testing. Testing is another key aspect of quality control in construction. Regular tests are conducted to assess the performance and strength of materials and systems. Types of testing. Material testing. Concrete testing. Tests such as slump tests, compression tests, or curing tests ensure concrete meets the strength and workability requirements. Soil testing ensures that the soil on-site is suitable for supporting foundations, assessing compaction and bearing capacity. Steel testing checks steel reinforcement for quality, strength, and corrosion resistance. Structural testing. Tests are performed on structural elements, e.g., beams, columns, foundations, to ensure that they can handle the load and stresses as per design specifications. Systems testing. Testing of installed systems, e.g., HVAC, plumbing, electrical, is carried out to ensure proper functioning before the systems are considered operational. 5. Non-conformance and corrective actions. Identifying non-conformance. If any defects or deviations from the quality standards are identified, they are classified as non-conformance. Non-conformities can occur during any phase of the project, such as incorrect material usage, poor workmanship, or design errors. Corrective actions. Once non-conformance is identified, corrective actions should be taken promptly to fix the issue. This may involve redoing certain work, replacing materials, or readjusting schedules. Corrective actions help to minimize the impact of errors and ensure that the final product meets the required standards. Preventive actions. In addition to correcting mistakes, it's essential to identify the root cause of issues and take preventive measures to avoid future occurrences. This could involve revising construction methods, improving communication, or addressing workforce training gaps. 6. Quality control documentation. Maintaining thorough documentation is a critical part of quality control. It ensures that all inspections, tests, and audits are recorded, and that issues and actions taken are properly logged. Key documentation. Inspection reports. Documentation of all inspections performed, including findings and corrective actions taken. Test results. Detailed results from materials and system tests. Quality audits. Reports from quality audits that outline areas of improvement and confirm compliance with quality standards. Non-conformance logs. A log of any non-conformance events and the actions taken to address them. 7. Communication and feedback. Effective communication is crucial in quality control. All stakeholders, such as contractors, subcontractors, suppliers, and the project manager, must communicate regularly about quality issues, changes, and progress. Regular meetings. Hold frequent meetings to discuss quality concerns, upcoming inspections, and any corrective actions needed. Feedback loops. Provide feedback to workers, subcontractors, and suppliers based on the results of inspections, audits, and tests to ensure continual improvement throughout the project. 8. Importance of quality control. Safety. Ensures that the final product is safe for use and complies with safety standards, which is essential to protect workers, users, and the community. Cost savings. Prevents costly rework, repairs, or replacements by addressing quality issues early. Client satisfaction. A well-constructed building that meets or exceeds quality expectations leads to higher client satisfaction and helps maintain a positive reputation for the contractor or developer. Long-term durability. Ensures that the building will remain functional, durable, and safe for years to come, reducing maintenance costs and extending the life of the structure. Conclusion: quality control is a critical part of construction project management. ensuring that all aspects of the construction meet the necessary standards and specifications. Through regular inspections, testing, audits, and proactive quality management practices, the project can stay on track in terms of schedule, budget, and safety. By continuously monitoring quality throughout the project lifecycle, construction managers can deliver a high-quality finished product that satisfies the client's needs and adheres to all regulatory and safety standards.